Hello CIS scholars, welcome you all. Today we are going to do lesson number 5, shapes and pattern revision. So let's start. In this chapter we have studied about flat shapes, square, triangle, rectangle and a circle, right? We have also studied about solid shapes. This is the shape of a book, but it's a cuboid. This is an ice cream cone. It's a cone shape. This is a football. The shape is of sphere. This is cell. The shape is of cylinder. And this is a dice. The shape is of cube, right? So we have studied about flat shapes and solid shapes. We have studied also about patterns, right? Today we are going to do revision. So let's start. Your first question is fill in the blanks. A square has dash corners. This is a square. If you see here, there are 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see the corners? Right? So we will write 4. Question 2. A cube has dash edges. This is a cube. It has faces, 6 corners. If you see the red marking, it is a corner. There are 8 corners and edges are 12 edges, right? The green part are the edges. So there are 12 edges. Let's move to the third. A circle has dash corners. A circle has 0 corners, right? Now let's move to the next slide. Look at the objects given below and put a tick or a wrong accordingly. Here it is written roll, slide, stack. So the first object is brick. It's a cold drink can, football and a dice. Okay, let's see the first object. Can it roll? No. Slide? Yes. Stack? Yes. If we look at the second object, it can roll? Yes. Slide? Yes. Stack? Yes. If we look at the third object, it's a football. It roll? Slide? No. Stack? No. And if we look at the last one, it's a dice. It roll? No. Slide? Yes. Stack? Yes. Right, students? Now let's move to the next slide. match the shapes to the correct names. So the shapes will be there and we will match it according to the names. So let's start. If you look at this first shape, it's a square, right? So we will match it with the word square. See the second one, it's a circle, right? Yes. The third one is triangle, and the last is rectangle. Yes, the teacher has matched the shapes to their correct names. Now let's move to the next slide. Continue the patterns below. If you remember the patterns, it is a repeated design, right? Okay. If you see the first one, it's a rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, triangle. Okay, we have to continue the pattern. We will not change, but we have to continue. Let's see the second one. Is it right? Yes. And then the next shape. Okay, let's see the last one. It's a triangle, circle, triangle, circle. After that, triangle. And the last will be circle. Right? So students, we have done lesson number 5 revision. Right? So you all will practice it. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you.